Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. We are nothing enough. We are nothing enough. We are nothing enough.
92.4 FM. And I pay ye bedi ye yɛn kɔ atansɛm ho nkɔmmɔ yɛ asetena mu ne yɛfa mbra ho ɛwɔ kurom ha yɛba abɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ ɛnkyɛ biara no BWF Solicitors ɛba abɛka yɛn nsa ɛyɛ Uncle Ben na yɛde dwumadie no ahyehyɛ so ɛnti no mepɛ sɛ wobɛtɛ mu tuku na watwɛn nothing but the best and I de bro na answer na Uncle Ben be joining in no so wohwehwɛ BWF Solicitors a ɛhe ɛna wobɛhu ɔmo BWF Solicitors omo wɔ 4th floor of the Anna House. 214 to 218 High Road. 7 Sisters. Postcode near N15 4NP. Say woko na one I will drive here. Call Tesco. Car park ho, me park ho for 90 minutes free of charge. And all console by Tuba, a 7 Sisters tube station, exit number 2. And obepeta obepie a free. Now buses in so I call BWF Solicitors a 149 76 243 259 279 318-476. I ana pay din common ebia o asem bi se bia pese wo frɛ office ho na obi sa number wo betimi a contact omo woso ne 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 we a BWF Solicitors someone contact number na media to John. Ain't no main check me per se me call na makakoma Uncle Ben aqua badia badru median so. Good
Hello.
morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning, Irene. Anope Michiao Memao Akwaba. I hope sir wo ne wabusia 4 and our pam 4 our Rainbow Radio. Obia hoye. Anope nchia kese nkoma yadofo anope omabeka ye ho. Mo ama join Rainbow Radio portal anase mo tie DAB. Mo ba BWF Facebook anase YouTube. Mo nyina yadamase yesre nyame nhyira ma mo nyina. Me dofo Irene and no yawo topic bi a da yakoma so bebre a yapese de bra wo. na ansana yɛbɛkɔ no sɛ woma me kwan a yɛbɛyɛ update kakra na afei yɛatoa so enti mesan to ma wo bio.
Yo, Uncle Bernard, yɛda wase anɔpɛ. Thank you very much. Me pacho. Ɛkwan da hɔ. Wotimi ma yɛn update no na yɛwie a yɛde topic for today no yɛde ahyehyɛ so. So I hand it back over to you.
Yo, say the first thing yɛbɛpɛ sɛ yɛde bɛto dwa ne Home Secretary. Yɛ maame sɛ waka ne ho kakra na deɛ munim no Labour ɛba no na ɛkɔyɛ wantwi kakra na nkurɔfoɔ bi a wɔayɛ wɔn ho racist wɔn bɛpagya immigration no sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔbɛyɛ na reduce Labour for vote ama Nigel Farage a sɛbe menim deɛ nti a Ghanafoɔ bi support no ɔmpɛ bibifoɔ anim ahwɛ koraa ɔde bɛyɛ topic ama ɛno nti no ɛbaa sɛ yɛkɔ election no ɔmo support conservatives bebree ɛkɔ support no ama obenya MPs ama ɔmo akɔ houses of parliament reduce conservative for ɔmo popular vote ɛde ba the lowest in over 40 years a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛha adwene ama Labour ɔmo ɔdo sɛ ɔmo nya resounding victory no na nkurɔfoɔ bi ka sɛ ɔmo victory no any roots nti ɛnyɛ deep because of immigration and foreigners they're taking over our jobs na ɛno bɛyɛ we nti yɛn nuaba Home Secretary was setting up the new measures offering the new measures to boost Britain's border security na ɔba bɛyɛ tough okay ɔba bɛyɛ tough nti ɔde measures aba ɔmafrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no NCA yɛfrɛ no National Crime Agency ɛno no ɔmo bɛ employ a new 100 specialist intelligence and investigation officers na ɔmo bɛyɛ investigation is usually to disrupt ɔmo yɛ people trafficking yɛka sɛ people trafficking a ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo te sɛ ɔmo kɔ bi Africa Asia na ɔmo kɔ sesa nkurɔfoɔ na ɔmo de ɔmo cross border no dodoɔ na nso fa nsuo no so unfortunately ne yɛ hwere bi mu afei nso flights a yɛde free yɛde deport nkurɔfoɔ no ɔmo bɛ increase no and ayɛ ɔmo car sometimes ayɛ ɔmo ho yɛ mesere but the problem is sɛ nipa no exhausted ne grounds a ɔde tena kurom a wontumi fa no nkɔ ɛno nso ɔmo ba bɛ increase no ama removal levels no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo increase no to about 2018 level baabi a na ɛyɛ high no ebiom ɔmo create 290 extra beds ɛwɔ Camsfield ɛna Hasla Immigration Removal Center deɛ kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔmo bɛ increase detention facilities na ɔmo redeploy ɔmo staff no akɔ baabi a ɔmo feel sɛ ɔmo hia na afei mo employ nkurɔfoɔ a mo nkyɛke ɔmo right to work no ɔmo bɛ increase sanctions no ama unfortunately no fines na ɛyɛ 40,000 no ɔmo bɛ apply to nkurɔfoɔ bebree deɛ ɛyɛ very key a mepɛ sɛ obi ahyɛ ne nso ɛyɛ the alternative ways a wobɛtumi ɛde atena ha as far as ɔmo yɛ concern no ɔmo bɛ restructure the whole process until last week mekaa sɛ MCA a yɛfrɛ ɔmo maka MAC Migration Advisory Committee a ɔmo na ɔmo advise aban no about immigration ɔmo ayɛ hia area any jobs sisi a me no ka sɛ IT computing ne IT ɛyɛ area bi a ɔmo hwɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛ review in addition no ekuo bi a me join ɔmo no ɛnɛ ɔmo de aba out sɛ mo a moyɛ application a moyɛ fee waiver no mo nyinaa mo fa nti yɛbɛhyɛ link no ɛwɔ yɛ website no so na moayɛ report deɛ nti a yɛ saa ne sɛ yɛ collect data na yɛde akɔ court na yɛ challenge saa fee waiver process no the other thing a mepɛ sɛ meka ɛyɛ applications a yɛyɛ free outside ɛde aba ɔhema the sad thing ne sɛ woyɛ application abɛka wo kun anaa wo yere ho a ɛnɛ me ne wo kasa yi fee no ɛyɛ over £4,000 over now menim nkurɔfoɔ dodoɔ a ɔmo ɛwɔ saa sika no na memao specifically fee no bo because enura yetua bi na it blew my mind. Na the problem a woman say a problem. Enti se wofa immigration fee na nkasa for obi a oba aware, obi a obeka ne maame ana ne papa ho a through aware, obi a obetena ne mpena ho. Immigration fee no ɛyɛ $2,490. Ana IHS no ɛyɛ ɛno nso yɛ 4,187. Wodi two no bom a na kyerɛ sɛ 2,000 plus 4,000 no na ɛyɛ 6,500. 6,500 no we divide na 1.26 a na kyerɛ sɛ wobenya 5,158. I mean, a day. Sebe, we awufi akra kakra ko central region ho Kaswa area no more. Utimi de to asase start foundation. Enti me pese from week de koi. Obi a hye ne nso. Se wo ye application abeka wo yere ana wukun ho a. Ska wo betua eye £5,158. But utimi ye fee waiver. Enti se wunni ska na obetua, most people I would say about 95%. Omuni savings da ho omni betua se ska. They will have to pay. Se wuntimi ntua, ye frɛ bibi ye frɛ no affordability test, both under Article 8 and at the sectional routing. Se wuntimi ntua sa ska we a, mepsraw, mema eno ensi wo kwan. Wo Ghana, wo Timbuktu, wo Mali, wo Ivory Coast, or America. Baby, I will be no. So, what Baba can yere and I will come. Utia 5,158. Now, won't mean tia. Obey me a fee waiver. Fee waiver application no very easy. The here say obey ma so bank statements are the back on. Or you know why na ukuna or also the bank statement back on. Now, what the yes application. Now, most applications are here, so evidence in here right and quadia omnibus. And Tiano say, Adia, the person will be ashamed because for me, it's just mind blowing. So, what they were bushing a neighbor abekamo, Nasa fee we yesitia. The other part, more outside, and I'm saying a concentration also. Sometimes, we'll buy UK. Na ebia wo beka wo maame wo papa wo dɔfo wo yere wo mpena because na munim no sɛ woni obi atwempena a emu pi emu edu a mo tɛ hu mo frɛ mo ho mo evidence a mo atwempena for at least 2 years under your law no the definition of a partner no obi a na atwempena for 2 years so woni no entna kra da wo UK ba ebi oba holiday or Ghana uhu no matwempena mo evidence utimi e the yes application na sa application na your friend unmarried partner no e very key ma ye mo bebre because obi wo ho a sebe na omo nye ready say omo ko ware enti ade a wo se wo kira ne se mumu bia ware a sa ware na wa ware no e break it down yanka se why divorce by break it down. And to be break it down, either say what take steps I started divorce, and I say evidence I'll bet me actually say nipa na waware na money na break it. To the new partner na we share no what na what date what trempena for at least 2 years, more evidence, text messages, photographic messages, or travel to Ghana or stamps our passport, airline ticket, and airline tickets is here, nigina electronic enti. Email ni saa nneɛma no so applications nso new case be by a friend of the case of Al Hassan until AL space HASSAN article 8 entry clearance 2024 citation upper tribunal now there case you can say so what Ghana na wo dɔfo bi te ha wo maame te ha wo papa te ha na wo application na wo ba your friend of Article 8 of the European Convention of Human Rights. Ade I can say family life and a private life. Into be our family life, any say your family name. All those a qualified right. Ubetimi a exercise saa right. Ye tie ne say ubetimi akamu no aka say saa me right yi application ya me say gina so. Court ne say the facts are outside no still I was say aban ehwe saa right no ama oye bibi ama wa I was so can. And it's our case of Al Hassan, Article 8, year 2024 citation, which means a fairly recent case. Not just say, oh yeah, and also ubit me edit, I can't why. And only and ne idea me person edit to for now. Nah, because me who some reno kokakra, na some woman, question be or may answer, but question be anymore. Me start the other one I'm a person maker more skilled migrant route no and then no ye beka no bus more skilled migrant route no going rate na aban de buy na ye basa no sa going rate no aban asesa no enti omo the new going rate aba eno nso me wie we ye be ye ho video na ye de ama enti mo watch it out because me who say confusion bi was our area na kakra ye besesam na ye de abeka ho enti Irene say why a crado a mesoma ye crado enti mesa to ma obi
Yo, Uncle Ben, get us super brave for the updates. More share na more seeing. I think I do with Fijiana to a higher Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. Yeah, live on Facebook and it's Rainbow Radio UK. Ubeti mi akwa sharing. So tuning in so shisha Rainbow Radio on a tea and Uncle Ben and I pay ofre BWF Solicitors ono na oda edwuma no ano ono na ohya ase ai ono na oda ano na anape ode update no abroyen enti no ode topic for today no yede obe start na sa wo question bi bisa Utimi sending a text message a 07771950989. Utimi sending WhatsApp message a basana mawe so question time ne so me fa question na maybe so Uncle Ben e de amount. O pesa wo friends so ye real topic for today na a kind of home so wo friend na wo bisa either any question bia if immigration and now say topical ye be discuss it and and also say update no the brain wo wasem bi se bia utimi efre na wo bisa ewo ho ai number no 0208-133-4646 18 yeah, call back to Uncle Ben na yeah akwaje the topic for today.
yo ohima ene topic no the entia ye de buy emritie ni obete medis US ne buy menya adwuma mis US no adwuma na ye mame no ansume me buy menhu miku ana me yira me no buy intiminim se US no akosi sen biom or say me madam na ode me buy no ye ba betwa ne COS nim ana ne license nim enti me pedwuma ye menya binya ohene ye wo three main areas your friend self sponsoring but me beka the easiest the first one no innovative visa maka ho asem da enti innovative visa na innovation founder no wo special adwuma bi a wo ye no ntine obitimi employ nkrofo na wakwaje license no na wo no ye de mawo eno no ye de mawo for wo nko a business no na ya mawo but we go through stages of assessment and approval enye no na na beka the other one so your friend of scale up and also wo and the other one so and also a creative industry and for musicians and artists and other ones And then main focus here. Sa route na wo de buy na no. A friend of skilled worker route no. Wo so betimi abie. Now I've said this before, but nkrofo bebre na and to say what we do, your person nkrofo employer since employer. Enti sa route ya wo de aba say ye care, construction, HR, teaching, child minding, and also bakery, butchers, restaurant, cafe, takeaway, garage, fitting garage, air condition repairer, refrigerator repairer. Saa di we nyinaa no woyɛ Ghana ni na wo kurom ha na obi na de wo bae wa ma US ba w'ani ngye ho wopɛ sɛ wo move on a wobɛtumi ayɛ. Enti your focus no self-sponsoring as a skilled worker. Enti yɛbɛyɛ basic rules no a wo na wo employ wo ho. The emphasis no wo employ wo ho na wakɔ akɔgye certificate. Na sɛ wo nko akora na woyɛ adwuma ma saa business na wobɛtumi ayɛ. Enti den na yɛfrɛ no skilled worker route no. Yɛhwɛ a skilled worker route no one way a wobɛtumi de ayɛ adwuma wɔ UK. There are other ways a wobɛtumi ayɛ adwuma. Either sɛ woyɛ British, woyɛ Irish, woyɛ European, or wowɔ limited leave, and as a pre-settled status, and our settled status. Omo here say wobenya license and sana wa employ mo your mom wa lawfully. But obi o wa bia no say wo pesa wo employ na wo say wutimi hwe na wo hwe say nipa no e wa setena. Enti the first your starting point no say wo wa ha lawfully. That is our starting point. The first basic rule wo wa ha lawfully. Enti wo wa ha ebia wo de can buy yama 3 years visa, 2 years visa, 4 years visa, 1 year visa, and now the construction buy, and now the admin officer, and now recruitment officer, and the buy yama 1 year or visa. The first step I was so Eunice. So I will leave to remain. Although say ya tile to the condition say obey adwuma ma obi no also betimi asset up a business. It is possible. It is possible because say wo UK ha na wo ha lawfully nkran dia we meet one of the requirements because for under the skilled worker route no I was a business no any business owner no omo wo UK. Until we meet one of the first requirements. Sa requirement ebie ni mo a yaka say we a skilled worker or limited leaver wintimi mbambeje license. The only one wintimi nye a key officer 1. Enti yehwe level 1 user eno pe ana wo a wo bie wadwuma no wintimi nye. Na level 1 no eno no be issue COS no. Na I will explain the enti eno no wintimi nye. Enti the person be at yes so wo wa ha lawfully nko dia so this US na buy you so the den buy you wo so betimi abie wadwuma. Enti that is the first thing. Wo pese wo bie wadwuma so the way me ne kwaku ayeda me kire am steps ayedi bie adwuma so na wo be ya wadwuma no ebe dimu na why your forecast for the future maye ne nyina. Enti mo call your YouTube and our Facebook mo betimi emu video no. The second thing they say, sa first part no, ube biye wadwuma no, wako company's house, wa fill your form, wa ye wo articles, and a memo, and no oma hyehyɛ ne nyinaa wɔ hɔ, watua wo fee, unhia lawyer amanaya ama, wa ubetimi biye wo company. Enti maka businesses, mfa mesa abɔ 5 so, baker, butcher, mechanic, air condition, refrigeration, restaurant, takeaway. Enti saa 7 ye wo more but me ma example. Enti waba obi na do ba sa obeyeke. Ba wo Ghana no na wo ye feature ni. Enti wo pese obi mechanic shop. Enti we bie mechanic shops no. Why register a company's house? Why an unlimited liability company? Wono we a director. Ubetimi afa another director account. Upea wonfa obia. Wonkwa na we a director. What be a business no? The next level I was say we say I was said why register into what your certificate. Then within that process no, we will proof of several documents I may be listed. So person will sponsor on one business registration with company's house. Now, once a wire no, then you have to apply for a sponsor license. I was a business, any owner no, more present UK physically. And in America says, so we see you as in Kwana or even 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years was what? Ubit maybe. Why no? Near maybe or I was a winner. Maybe listed about 7. There are more, but the who here pano and then I may listed. 1. I was a winner employer's liability insurance. I be cover for 5 million. Na omwa obe insure omono. Insurance na was some year regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. 1. 2. I was a will register with HM Revenue and Customs as a business because our registration now will register with HM Revenue and Customs. Ombema PAYE reference number. We have application now. I was audition because wow, how do a business here? Wo business na employer na ye be issue COS amount na wet media na ha. Part of the application process. I was say what with PAYE reference and HM revenue or tax reference. I was say what the shares. So registration with HM revenue. Wow, bet me aye, but we are concerned. Obet me the accountant. No, I am. 3. Say wo business no afa no waf ya. Unhia say obe file company tax return. But say business now operating for at least 12 months, obe here company tax return. Bear in mind that there's a difference between self-employed tax return, which is SA, because ubetimi age license as a self-employed person, are possible. But are better so obey a limited liability company. Now, metro the intia may prefer to self-employed. Say juma na we no abaya hwehwe say will turn over no over 60,000. I was so register for VAT. Please register for VAT because near many BIA so we are service provider. What's charge VAT? To say your lawyer say you charge VAT until register for VAT certificate. What dress now? What they register a business? Say you with them. Say your shop. Say a lease. Our koji and our license. Our koji or any of this other premises now. I will say when you proof says our business. Our baby or trade from. It can be your home. A tenancy agreement and as a mortgage document and as a lease of the business. So what trade here? I will say we need the most recent annual accounts from a certified regulated accountant. Or also or yet regulated by one of the accounting regulators in the UK. Mr. Remo, these are specified Annex A documents because areas you Annex A and Annex B. Documents need be compulsory. For example, one trade for 1 year, when your accounts. So when your VAT, won't register for VAT. But there are things I was aware. We be here our bank account. It is a wouldn't bank statement. Next come more. I was a bank manager and our relationship manager a throw letter amount. Now, niyama maka nyina no maka esi ho for supporting documents under Annex A. Now, baby, wona wahana yese baby nipa na wama COS no. I was so yeah mama no full time, but obetimi aye 20 hours no. It allows to do other things. And it is how 20 hours no. At the beginning no until say wow be employ wo ho ama ye issue COS ama through business no. I was so appointed nkrofo. The first key role I was appointed a authorizing officer. We must be a senior person or you're very competent. Or no be manage SMS system no. SMS no and would be issue COS, DCOS, or they apply for extension, or they budget more areas. 2. Key contact. Normally key contact no or lawyer meet me a key contact. And also be employer be a key contact. Wow bet me a key contact. Baby, I won't mean yet a level 1 user because I don't know requirement and I say the minimum requirement and also you'll be or you're settled. When who the COS in the buy when you're settled, and you also will pay be fan as employee, a partner, and a director, or no level 1 user. The entire sad way very, very key in say. Why you when you apply for sponsorship no ya license sa level 1 user na wa employ no ono na obe issue certificate COS ama na wo de atena wo business nim na watimi akogye asetena ewo sa de we nyina make we no possible if 1 we above 18 wo kromo ha lawfully. We need criminal conviction. When you obi a we are bankrupt. When you obi a ya ban or say won't be director of a company. Vacancy now we your application. I will say we declare vacancy. And for one we declare 1 vacancy because a bema kwan near my COS for 1 person. And na what the be employer no sa COS no. Wo a won't be issue emma wo. The entire say employer obi no. Or no say issue ma because over your appendix L for license sponsors duties no over L5 4.1 key workers now can obi or level 1 user authorized officer person a contact person no the only one qualified level 1 user I don't know who won't mean yet enti so what damfo bi wa ha enye wunia because wunia ntimi issue COS ML. But so adamfo bi wo ha. Wo obi a obetimi ne na hyehye na ono abeye level 1 user. I was so a employee of the business. Bear in mind say a limited liability company. Enti nya wo na wo employ no because limited liability no ye nipa. Enti limited liability no all employees say nipa no. Enti contract na nya between me na usu. Ena ajoba contract na ye Abacus Construction Limited ena ajoba enti se meka se employee obi a menka se wo na usu na employee obi me se wo business no or employee level 1 user why we nyina awie no e wo se wo prove se sa adwuma no say ye construction say ye bakery say ye takeaway restaurant say ye sitting restaurant say ye cafe say ye butchers say a refrigeration, say a mechanic. Won here say obi beba be ye adwuma wo ho. Enti genuine vacancy no. A test I was a business no pass from day 1. The only way I will bet me approve way and they say we be business plan and business forecast. Business plan and business forecast no then na etie. Business plan a plan na wo wahyehyɛ esi ho for business no. Enti yafa Abacus Construction and Abacus Mechanics. Abacus Mechanics no adwuma a beautiful. It's about 3 months old. Wo sa Abacus Construction no and Abacus Mechanics no. What forecast say area Tottenham ewa ha and 7 Sisters no. Mechanics 4 na wa ha. Wo de be kan ho 5. Why assessment who say competition wa ha. Ubetimi aye cars in a typical week or in a typical month no ubetimi aye forecast no say we MOT and I will repair some and I will repair cooling system, and I will change oil. Way na obeje. Now I'm doing a business plan and a cash flow forecast. Or cash flow no a week in the way na onya. Oya a month say na obenya. You can do by quarter, by monthly, or by annual. The problem with this and say, so why yet forecast now? Bear in mind say wuniska. Mechanic and so no ni pay no 38,700. Wuni capre head our account. How are you going to pay sir nana wusia wo ba employ? How are you going to pay? It's who business no be employ. How is the business going to pay you? Well, because who this our account? You don't have 38,700 sitting there. The only way I'll bet me the approval, and they have said it. Sir, within your application, you have to do something called business case. Obi or running good business to say yeah, you see, we have a business plan for 3 months, for 6 months, for 1 year, for 5 years. And in the next 5 years, we know where we will be. We know what our income will be because we do a budget. Part of the budgeting system, no, when a customer, when a why is no, we bet me I justify on paper. Say in 6 months, in 3 months, in 1 month, no, every month be a bet me a 3,000. 4,000 and now 5,000. So when you have 5,000 a month, that is about 60,000 a year. So when you 38,700 plus employer contribution and pensioner, give and take maybe about 42. The rest, I will say to me cover overheads. Bear in mind, say you are only employing one person, which is you. 80, that should be sufficient. But wouldn't mean be a business, with no plan. Absolutely nothing. No cash flow, no budgeting, absolutely nothing. Now, your application, you would therefore need an accountant or a business development strategist. Nansaya yenua baako or apply for COS, just COS. Omo ba back say on funny account. I mean, I know he had almost about 250,000 pounds in the account. So that's not a problem. But can you imagine, say, me encourage you, say, oh, COS, wow, bet me a be a human employer. Who niska because by a credit humana, ya by winya human. But with business account, how do you explain, say, your license, now if I employ one person, how are you going to pay the person? And that is why you bring in a business development strategist or an accountant. The accountant will have to work hand in hand with your lawyer because your role is doing your business case and covering the legals for you. But the way I will bet me I am successful now, the license, say, will bet me a convincing home office on paper. On paper. 1, business plan. 2, cash flow forecast. So who was in 1 document or 2 documents with insurance. Not justification say ubenyeska. Not justification say ubetimi I employ nipa baako. You will be successful. This is where we will say to you, sir, as a person who is here lawfully, say we be a business under limited liability company. A business not a legal entity. The business can go ahead and do stuff. You are a director. The only thing I want to mean here a key level 1 person because ono and be issue COS no. And the reason why I want to mean issue COS in my is level 1 user must be a settled person. Or medofo medas inti way I had a medibisi. I assume say questions beba. The questions bad, then we'll deal with it.
Wow, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's super great. Me, ukasa ina me doing sikasemo. And is this whole process capital intensive?
No.
Because what banasa only accord buy no through ne COS way no only across sponsor our no say or ma we jumanya na woni sika na how easy would they pay for you to set yourself up?
Okay. Enti ohima about a couple of months ago, you share startup loans, government agencies, and private agencies, omoma loans for businesses. Requirement being you say you're settled. It's the business. Now, to even get the loan, you will need a business plan and a cash flow forecast. It's a makan. Bibia make can be Canada. The only thing is I'm putting a bit more emphasis on one area. Business plan, business setup, limited liability, cash flow forecast, how to run a successful business. We've done that. The video no YouTube, and I say or Facebook. But I'm call BWF Solicitors, how to set up or run a successful business. It's there. Mature step-by-step approach, and it's in English. And you can go there and see it. So we'll call YouTube, and I will call your Facebook, BWF Solicitors Facebook. So question no say a capital intensive no, because application fee what they say will start for near between 1 and 50 £536.
Okay.
Adia will bet a lawyer's fee into missing me. And we work hand in hand with our business development strategists. Remember, the technical team, I share the details within the next 1 minute or 2 minutes. She is a shrewd business strategist, or an accountant, or a business development strategist, and we're running big business, multi-million-dollar or pound business, both here and in Ghana, or Ghana by your and she's helped people. There are people who are watching her that she's helped. The last person she helped was last week. And this was a big business. She's drafted it within a very short time. I'm not sure how much she charges because in Bisa, but I will share her details. So why you're ready, she's a person I know. She's a woman of integrity. And I don't have a problem, say, over friend, say, or not set up business. She can do all for you, and then we'll work together to help your case.
Great. Now, my other question, whilst you were explaining things to us, was the level 1 user. Can the level 1 user be working elsewhere, as well as working for this new company?
Yes, level 1 user must be an employee of your business.
Okay.
And now, the Obibeka say, na lawyer, me, 20 hours spend on meet me outside. Now, who set it up limited liability company? And you would yes, we are director, but business in an employee will be. And me, so me set up limited liability company. I can be an employee of the business.
Okay.
And we are all file tax. Sometimes, so what limited liability business, you be say what you are shares and what you are salary. And the you are for want of a better way, emphasis me business in your front of Abacus Construction. And my bar, me bar with care. Yama me 2 years. But me bar, me person me move on, me and person me set up. And my could be Abacus Construction, me a director. I'm physically present in the UK, me a lawful. My set a business in the say you employ be anya me na ne wusu ana me ye employ a business Abacus Construction and then I employ enti Abacus no betimi employ Irene or betimi employ Dr. Mark ebia for 2 hours a day and 1 day in the week ni rule and say oye level 1 user because ono na oba be issue COS no na one a we director no or the employer na we switch from okay no or the aba our business na wetimi agina so e dey yes.
Okay. Yo, Uncle Benny, that was bebre wo nchechemu ade amayen anapay. It's here for So afiansa do if you did not so high Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. Maybe so I would say and would be so. And now say what download your Rainbow Radio application into would meet here and our phone so. And now so say be I will share live our Facebook. Uncle Ben and my enchechemu was COS visas yeah. Yenuanom ewo kurom ha ne ekwan a wa so betimi afa so na wa set up company ewo kurom ha na wa employ wo ho. I think it's a very very good initiative you know yenuanom na maba kurom ha na wodi COS we visa na buy nso no wuntimi enye adwuma enye ye no we akwan a abeda ho a say you betimi atake advantage. Phone lines no number wobetimi afra yen wo so 0208 1334646 0208 1334646. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning. I may answer them. Pacho mo to say.
Adum na won so e.
Yanko pandu me ho yes.
Sure.
Ade be pacho me person be say topic ya me person be a wo wi a to me call back to put me be e pesa akwanche no idea na ya me nya ni Facebook nti me person me ho se kwan be no be so amenya se waka say wi na person me call back to put here.
Oyema ni nyina on Facebook. Yeah, okay, your Facebook for the past several years now. Ana ni nyina on YouTube, ana ni nyina on BWF Solicitors, your website. And it is a problem ko BWF Solicitors, your website. To say me no ka say record your website. Nti mi wie ya be wo ne na be first video. Your videos be ya be share. And also on nyina nti say problem akọ www.bwfsolicitors.com and I would key bwfsolicitors.com. No akọ resources. Okọ resources ubehu niema mienu wo ho. Yewo blog and yewo videos. Enti ukọ videos sesi ameno ka say sesi on BWF website. www.bwfsolicitors. Se si ameno ka say ewo ho. De kwaku ene Charles Saturday ewo ho. De kwaku no Friday manye me no ka say makoye website a mehwe. Enti ma menchira o sa na bio. Ko BWF Solicitors www.bwfsolicitors.com. Ebe yi website na ma. Ubehu esro ubehu home practice about us resources. What the care sanity resources are. Click on videos. Or click on videos. Me no kasa sisi akra na ewo so. Enti your videos here ewo every time. Why? Aha. Ano na ye show sisi a. Enti ohwe Facebook sisi a. One say BWF, one say me was so. Maba menuma. Kasa. Yes, it be be
already. Martin.
Okay.
Yo. Martin.
Okay. Caller number 2. We are 6044. Me pacho. Me mawo achema wa kwaba.
Yo, me to me mama che. Uncle Ben, any otifu na me chiamu na me pacho and power radio me question kakweb na me sending the just me a British national and me confirm me by 5 years on 10th of September. Na into your 2.5 but on the card and I say I think the 18th December and a better year. I mean so 5 years as well. It's New Year indefiniteness. Is there a way to keep the indefiniteness naturalization? And I say, I will also go to the process of first person indefinite and then naturalization because I think sometimes when we speak there's a way to indefinite not go straight to naturalization. If I tell me I'm make person visa ekakwa. And I'm the other question with Uncle Ben say with the COS visa, is it safe to travel with the COS visa to Ghana?
Okay. Okay. Well, first of all, no, sir, apply for indefinite leave as a partner. Once a 5 years abano, although say biometric card no, it be December no, I was so year because over September you can apply 28 days before the end of the 5 years. No, till your August 28th of August, ubetimi your application into ubetimi. Why?
Okay.
Oh yes, who was you?
Naturalization street.
Okay, and say yeah, we naturalization.
Yeah, you.
So we naturalization. You have two routes. You have a 3-year route and you have a 5-year route. 3-year route near former Mawari British. 5-year route near former Omawari British. And to say nipa na lawfully for 3 years. Now or indefinite, ultimately apply for British citizenship. So on worry British, I was what now lawfully for 5 years. And a man indefinite in 1 year about under section 6.1.
Okay.
Why?
Okay. Uncle Ben, see, the whole kind of here. Maybe a British national and a Mikunaba for 5 years. And the whole kind of say, and 3 years, got 3 years, I go with me naturalization.
There be because UTA it's a lawfully 3 years and I want definite, only indefinite. That is the only thing. To indefinite in there, and now bit me apply.
Okay. Only indefinitely now, and me apply for naturalization. Okay.
And when you're British, indefinite in there now, and can also train for 1 year.
Okay. Yeah, British means when you're indefinite in there, and they are COVID, they apply for the British.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
Me that's fine. Second question, maybe answer no. Me kwa screen.
Second question, Mediama.
Second question, few maybe.
Well, Mediama, Monsieur Betty to call. Yes, so to me, come
Okay, me patch on my face. Me that's the pass, me tea or ham, me shed na your claim, me could see or we know. Me patch on me that's the pass.
Your website is why?
Yes, yeah, that's it. Caller number 590. Number end 590. Me patrol to me ebisa wase. Good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, to say.
Adumo.
Pacho, me EU ni one. And meji settle status me back or 20 years. Nti oko Ghana say kodi holidays. Oko and oti wo hu ne classmates. Nti on pese mo ware. Ne guy no 18 years. Nti on pese o ware. And I say, okay, my friend said because of the EU into Wako Ghana no. How far na a bit my
Obano kra EU passport and I say okra Ghana passport or indefinite one.
No Ghana passport, but settled status.
Yes. And obe apply amaniko no niko di 18 a omutimi ware problem bi ene ho. Sir opeso de no ba.
You see so
Also kasa.
the TMC.
Enti also be man di 18. Sir omo munyana di 18 and above. Ombetimi aware. But was so ye adwumanya 29,000.
Ultimate for EU law no number.
Because okra Ghana passport. Ana EU law no so etwa 2020 December.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And Irene, Angela Hesse, Technical team, please bring it back. Angela Hesse ne flyer ne de ato ho no. Enti ne number no is 07704283263. 07704283263. So person will send an email support@ladiesontheRun.co.uk. support@ladiesontheRun.co.uk. Area or company, financial projections, market research, operational plans, business strategy, action plans, and ongoing support. Saa nneɛma a listing nyinaa. Angela minimum no. Wayɛ adwuma ma one of the biggest company in the UK, a multi-million pound company. Wayɛ adwuma ma company Ghana. I know her personally. She's a woman of integrity. 80. A business plan is required as part of your application for sponsorship license with the assistance of BWF Solicitors. She's a friend. She's my family's friend. She's somebody who is a very, very hardworking woman. 80. She can help you. Business plan amaka. Wouldn't mean be on license without a business plan. So we have new business. We are old business here, you don't have a problem. But we are new business. You cannot. And even currently, no. So we are new business. Wouldn't mean could you see US without a business plan. And Timon Angela Hesse. Nidino Angela Hesse. Hesse. You can even Google her and you will see the sort of person she is. And Irene, it's a question be or my errand.
Sure, I offer for ewo ahamane so. Enti yebefano. Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Irene. Good morning, Lawyer Ben. Good morning.
Patrol to me bisa wasemwai.
Okay. That's a question. Mrs. Will apply say Okofani by Ghana, but now at the time of submitting application, when IHS fee late on a link nearby say on clicking on kutia, but or try say old channel somehow or share too much to or share before approving the payment on the app. Now I cancel it. The question maybe can say, or bit then email no bit me. I requested for them to resend the link to pay the IHS again, and then maybe send.
Well, link na omode by email. And say no response and no reply. That's different. Numbers wo I will call Home Office website. Numbers ni nyina wo but email na chro no. Sa email na obetimi ebisa na the link for fraba. And sa omfre service line 033 no. No response. Why?
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, Auntie Irene.
Good morning.
Good morning, me Patrick is saying.
Adam Naunso.
Praise Adam Boko. Uncle Ben Pacho, me Chiao and Opel.
Major also.
Uncle Ben Pacho, me be a question, mini pabi. Or the school what I say ye been a buy. Now, since I'll buy in ano, I say, a Timobio could be no, or qua no Macachan say, particular work and I say, or the buy no, like I say, only main applicant and one is or the. And the Oya pay all because of company or the Ben or Monty men age man. And this any pan patrol dear no be. Na what you must say, and ask what you must put him I age more you can or dear level. But
company I don't buy no or yeah Juma Masa company nana.
There be
and to Nasa no be amfano.
I'm going to be just a son or dear now obey
Oh, yeah, so what's your program? Oba as a care worker and answer them.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your program here? So what's your program here? I will say what answer. dada. Oko your website.
Oba no company na pacho metio.
So oko your website. Questions I will be saying, you know, yeah, videos ago. And to oko your website.
Okay.
Oko BWF. I know. Tiena memfa information we ma. Oko your website.
Pacho yo.
Oko BWF Solicitors website. Oko resources. Na oko links. Ubehu se mede nkrofo a omo license e wo kromo ha. Go to useful link, go to care visas. Click on care visas. Or here any go on. Or here on Facebook. Bibia mo here bia any. Sadwe ya kan. Onko omo wo ho no baby a wotena na baby opese oye adwuma no the postcode ni hyema ebe yi adwuma a eye live a omo fanko omo wo position on betimi afa na omo wo license na wo ho no enti bibia wo hia bia BWF Solicitors ko your website so ukoso a ko resort
okay na me ka chele say maba mo pen na me tati wo so me tati wo pa na bibia na me te ho akwan mo enti no me ka se omra BW Solicitors no me hu no be hu a bibia mo ho akwan so betima ma na ayeden anya ho akwan na fi me ho ato no nsana me ka chele anope na me
se adwuma na ope a onya so obeba ha onko your website no na on follow process na wo ho no fa apply for se adwuma na ope legal advice obetimi aba but se adwuma na ope
yo
no information no that is there information no your program no we are the to your website free of charge because
me tio pa nti me say the bia mo de update e fa bibia ho ba ene en kwa de tio nti me ka che no why me da se pa anko be na me enhira o ene wadwuma ye fo nyina
okay
that's it bye ancha rain so me da se o
yeah imni abema yeah that's it na pay yeah caller number 2 270 una mane end 270 mema wa chema wa kwaba hello
yeah na me pacho me chiamo Uncle Ben, me pacho good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho me question and me say medication go form kakra na say my yire me ho akoye me life in UK test na pass me pass ye no so aye ti san another test wo ho say me san akoye answer metumi aye me British book no na no me share when wo videos ni e wo YouTube no me hu ni say de kakra ma me na me kun na de me bae na me nya domestic violence ye ma me indefinite ba me ba no me ye that English test ni bi me bi fa say metumi use so eno ade akoye dia me di ye ya na na two nonsense no me for college bi e mo ye me sa listening and listening, hearing and listening. Me no me pass it. Me bisa say, make me the na kan wa kwa ye me book na. Me pass me question no.
Yeah, so person we British citizenship. We hear language of life and English. And English, you know, level B1. And now also acquire listening and speaking, and not speaking and listening. I was say and also life in UK can. Na so why you two know that obetimi apply.
Life in UK na my personal.
What pass life in
UK na my personal. Me pass here no. Me see my life in UK test no. Apparently. Me pass here no na yes me san for English test na listen and hearing no.
Yeah.
And no me finding it difficult to say me for college bi I have say me for ye bi ma me pass say to make me use so and work one for ya.
I just a man who college. And opa fabra open my number.
Me pa
Fabreme
you.
was 077 1 2 and they go 077 1 2 7 6 1 8 8 4 077 1 2 7 6 1 8 8 4. I am a WhatsApp number. So I.
Uncle Ben, that's Yamin Shroud. Yamin Shroud so much. Here, bro, Yamin Shroud. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You know about you say that was it. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay. Fa caller number 793. Good morning. Me patro me fa wa na wutia na we lower wo radio ne na wa bombarding se obe mute wo ho ana be ye din se ne be ya oni akọ bisa na asem no ono nso ate. Why? Mr. Moa. Wa na ma end 793 me patro ti me bisa wasem. Why? Good morning. Hello? Hello? Okay, so when you're ready, so Bekasa, ain't no, it's here for phone calls. Me what you have said. Send me text and answer my call line, so back. Or say, good morning, Auntie Irene and Uncle Ben. Please, I'm applying for a fee waiver. Home office needs my month's bank statement and I can't provide because my account is blocked. I have a letter from the bank which shows my account has been blocked due to ID check. Can I send the letter from home office to show I can't get my 6 month bank statement, or what should I do, please? Thanks.
Well, so we hear our bank statement. I was a bank in the amount. It doesn't matter. So my block account. And you be some more. I was some of the brow. So I'm from brow. Use law no. Use the Data Protection Act. You're free to be a friend of SAR subject access request. Under your Data Protection Act, and subject access request or subject access to information. No. Almost due to someone they will file the brow. And it's almost specific. We be specific. Someone from a bank statement in Bremen under Data Protection Act. Me here from this period to that period. Oma block you, the bebro. Okay?
Okay.
Because without a bank
statement,
home office, and yadia omo the bema. Because omo no on omo system no. Omo access to Equifax, Experian, all the credit reference agencies no. Enti the who names a bank account. No musu hu. Enti the first side bank and say yamfa ya block no. Omo nka say yamfa bank statement mao. Enti Mr. So open in tema jina fako. Why?
Okay. Yeah, that's it, Uncle Ben. Offer for Mema watch and Mema Wahwa Baba Jumedi so. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Pacho mane so kakra me da say.
Pacho, me nua bi di school and buy no no. When your school fees na nkotua ne aka no. Nti o se ne visa no enwu ye no se na danfo bi aka che ne se o ma ye security course na on fa badge na fa anya adwuma wo ikrom ha. Na pese me bisa say obetumi aye adwuma bra wantumi anko school na.
I am a minute be sure sir or answer to our question. First of all, the visa na ye twema
E pacho de be in twema. But also omo email ni say on fa school fees ni aka ne mara.
Pacho na be no mo email no.
Pacho last month.
Na che say enche bia o metwam. Ohema nipa na mo nko school. Ada na opese okoye adwuma. I think say I was so concentrating now. Mr. Oman na ni anaghasa na dwen kọ say obe free baby o no akọ bibi foforo so because enche bi o metwam you know, sometimes your priorities here so totally misplaced. One co school, automatic so metrim. Yenyan twemu, what time I'll be to me the switch ako bibi. I don't know what drain, so quite course ako security. Because security no, we your course no. Na wokɔ start adwuma na acha 2-3 months you twa visa no ma ombe yiwedi ti adan mu na wo ma wo nan ensi bibi so na enya firm foundation ansa na wadwen adwuma no ho you know Mr. we a misplaced priority man adwen kɔ so obeye either so obetue fees no no akɔso aye the studies no anase oniska ompe bibi no switch it to as soon as possible. Why? Okay.
You have show. Yes, so that's it. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Okay. Yeah, next caller. I drop. So, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
It's the same.
Good morning. We pass on what you say.
Yeah, who you announce what?
Uncle Ben. Good morning. So we can Uncle Ben. Hello. Fiancé visa no. Hello. Hello. University. No or inviting the fiancé and a best no and now say Opa. Barrier, the patch maybe not in a year. I mean, people said as you to my medicine.
As the all kind of visitors visa and your fiancé visa. Yentwa muda. Ana fiancé visa and Casanzo yentwa muda. Intiminim at the potia or patcher no say. Or girlfriend, boyfriend, now person besrawa. Ubit me a man besra. There's nothing wrong with it. Until you meet me a visitor's visa, no abesran. Why? The here will be show say or a genuine visitor or scar or baobedi or baobeko. Those are the requirements also show. Why? Okay.
Minya Bema, say clear. Hello.
Yeah. Good morning. Oh.
Okay.
And maybe not if one of the topic of fiancé, to me. Hello. I don't know. Maybe say hello. So far as all your fiancé, we need to communicate. I don't know. What mean your fiancé? Almost fiancé visa. And yet visitor visa. Na make as a
Second caller, hold on. Nyauka Helen, Pacho, hold on, mommy. Why?
Okay.
Me that say. Uncle Bernard, me Pacho, Bibi have a catcher in your bed, Mayana, because Uncle Bernard Pacho said there is nothing like a fiancé visa. It's a visitor's visa. And I'm not sure if there is anything Uncle Ben can add to that.
Under the partner rules, so will be better as a partner, or bet me about as a fiancé. But I don't know about better and your visit. Omo man of 6 months. Now oba or worry we are now Oma no. 2.5. But
yeah,
they are not all kind of also percent.
But you're not American.
Oh, here we try to make explain why. What's it open so back and sra now in tree you can be bansra na just or back on a visit. And to visit visa no be anymore your friend of fiancé visit visa. Fiancé visa no a lead to settlement because of switch. And no and I may yentwa moda and that's all. Say you visit either or babesra a boyfriend or the fiancé and answer or bas a fiancé no ma worry no way gina so they are applying what no nina wo and yentwa mo. The only thing I say obi person a girlfriend betna or give us a no worry wa ha. I don't encourage it because ubetua 5,000. We your application we are and no say man 6 months per. Or yan application or worry we no yan application obesa kotua 3,400 and 3,815. It's not worth it. Until within 6 months now we could over 8,000. It doesn't make sense. The 2% nipa no ba obetimi aba o ware na obetumi aba o pese oba na obesra o keke a obetumi aba abesra o pese oba on a marriage visitor obetumi aba on a marriage visit ba mo ware wie o so san akọ fiancé visa na dey obeba on 6 months. Within 6 months you marry, then you apply for 2.5 years. Visitors visa, you come 6 months, you have to go back. Married visitors visa, you come, you marry, you have to go back. Those are the difference. Okay.
One girl, stupid. Okay. It does. Ministerial.
Yes,
Ministerial mobile community.
Thank you very much. Second caller.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry, sir, we're just watching. Why?
No problem. Good morning. But you may be sure you be a last 2 weeks. I'm delayed. If I be 2 years, way biometric resident card. Why settle? Actually, almost I'm sure so almost I'm calling another card for. And owning to be said, Sanipano still also sending e-visa.
Okay. And yeah, video, yeah, flyer, EU4 ewo e-visa, omunya e-visa. Obi a waha on a BRC. Oje no under EU settlement route. Omu nyinaa ewo e-visa. Omu nhia e-visa. Why?
Oh, thank you. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Okay. Bye. Okay. And mefa text message away. Or say, good morning, sir. Please, I came with a student visa. My wife joined me here and we gave birth here. It's time to switch to postgraduate visa. Please, my question is the baby eligible to pay some of the insurance charges and the processing fees?
Yes, and sir, your application for dependents obi under 18 bia otua reduced fee ontua 1,035 no. Into uba no obetua immigration fee so, but enye 1,035 for a year no, discounted.
Okay. All right. Into what I said no question. I hope that answers. 18 minutes past 10. May I sure say your lady, I'm not sure who'll be giving us the English version of the topic. Yes, you're discussing and then
Pamela, why crado? Pamela, so why crado? Potono kakrama ya na yanko.
Good morning, Irene and Mr. Wusu. Good morning to our lovely viewers as well. Today's topic is self-sponsoring as a skilled worker, the basic rules of employing yourself under the skilled worker route. So it's a really interesting topic. If you are a skilled worker in the UK, it is possible for you to self-sponsor yourself, which is to get a COS certificate so you can work for your own business in the UK. So the skilled worker route is one of the ways a person can work and stay in the UK as an immigrant. So the starting point, which is the first basic rule, is that you would need to be in the UK lawfully. It's important to know that although you're in the UK, you have to be in the UK lawfully. And it could be a 1 year visa, 2 years, 3 years. It could also be a skilled worker visa that you are on. So normally, although you are tied to a condition of working under your employer, under your skilled worker visa, you can still create or set up your own business. It is possible to set up your own business even if you are in the UK under a skilled worker visa. So the only thing that you cannot do under your skilled worker, no, under your own business is be a key level 1 officer. So you also need to register your business as a limited liability company, and you need proof of several documents. So there are certain supporting documents and Annex A that you will need. You will need to register your business with the company house, and then you need to apply for your sponsor license. It is important that the business and the business owner are present physically in the UK. You'd also need to show your employer's liability insurance, that the insurance will cover you for 5 million, and the insurance company has to be regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. That's the FCA. That's really, really important. Then the third thing is you'd have to register with HM Revenue and Customs as a business. Then after you register, you would get your PAYE number and a tax revenue number. And these numbers are very important when you are making your sponsor application. So it's very important that you register with HM Revenue and Customs. And the fourth thing is that if your business has operated for at least 12 months, you would need a company tax return. You need to have a company tax return. And also, if the government has said that your turnover profit for your business is over 60,000, you would have to register for VAT. It's important. So please, if your turnover profit is more than £60,000, you would need to register for VAT. You'd also need to prove that the address where your business is running from is, you have to prove the address where you operate your business from. That's also a very important step to take. And you would need to prove your most recent annual account from a certified regulated accountant. This certified regulated accountant has to be someone who is regulated by one of the accounting regulators in the UK, because you will need your bank account. So if you do not have a bank statement because you have not yet started operating as a business, your accountant will have to write a letter for that as well. So before you are able to employ yourself, or before you are issued a COS as a business, you would have to appoint certain people in your business. That's because you cannot yet employ yourself. So you need to appoint an authorizing officer. This authorizing officer has to be a senior person who is competent, who will manage your SMS system. And the SMS system is what you will use to issue the COS and apply for extension. Then you would also need to appoint a key contact. So with a key contact person, your lawyer can be a key contact person. The person can also be an employee, a partner, or a director of your business. You cannot be a key contact person because the key contact person has to be a level 1 person. And the minimum requirement for a level 1 person is the person has to be settled in the UK. And since you are in the UK on a visa, you are not settled, which means you cannot be a key contact person. The key contact person also has to be an employee of the business. And it's important to note that since the business is a limited liability company, the employment contract will not be between yourself and the person, but would be between the company and the person, since the company has its own identity. So then the employment contract will be between the company and the person. So the key contact person is going to do is, the key contact person will be the one who will grant you with a COS certificate, which you will then be able to use to work in your own company and eventually get settlement under the skilled worker route. So self-sponsoring is possible only if you are above 18 in the UK lawfully, you have no criminal conviction, you have not been declared bankrupt, and you have also not been banned to be a director of a company. You also have to declare the genuine vacancy. So for your business, you will declare one vacancy. That's because you want to employ just yourself. So the way to be successful and to end up getting your sponsor license and by to convince the Home Office on paper is you have to have a business plan and your cash flow forecast. If you are able to get these in documents and you have your insurance and justification that you have the money and then justification that you also be able to employ one person, you would be successful in getting your sponsor license. And this way, you will also be able to self sponsor yourself in the UK. I hope this helps. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much, Pamela. I'm saying Breno Ekopa intino. Me pesa ankope no be my closing summaries na yedi dwumadi no aba ewie for today.
Okay, Irene, yɛda wase bebree sɛ wɔaso yɛ mo kɔ community nim. Anuanom ne adɔfo, topic wei ɛyɛ because example, yɛwɔ so yi obi afrɛ, obi aba, onya COS, ɔnya COS, onya adwuma, wɔnya adwuma, hours no nnɔɔso, yɛbɛtwa COS nim. This is why yɛ refer mo. The sad thing in our community is that sometimes, yɛpɛ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ yɛ nneɛma ma yɛn. Bibia muhia to go on this route, egu your website. So we set your business, how to set it up, how you can run it successfully. Ni nyina egu your website so. Enti no, so that everybody understands. So what is you as baha? Now our profession be and our special skill be our bitimi aye adwuma. My examples, either a caterer, a baker, a butcher, mechanic, refrigerator, air condition, BBR with me. Call, register a business, get a license, appoint someone, get a COS for yourself. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Uncle Ben. It's here for okay. Mema 2 minutes because my foul being to me. My 1 minute. Hello.
Okay. Hello. Pacho, good morning. Bichiamo and Yadamwasin so for the educational model in our community. Pacho, maybe a company, a balloting company, me a director. Unfortunately, in the whole year, Yentimania contract there was no revenue, but there were only 2 expenses like the bank charges and business insurance. So now President Bisanka Ben say, but to me I prepare company accounts at the end of the year, but to me I online and without getting an accountant involved because there was no transaction. But to me I online.
Well, obia to me a file on one account, so we hear accountant to file it. And yes, obet me a call. Microphone be your bomb accounts. Why? To bet me. Good luck.
Oh, okay.
That's it. It's here for Hannah Ebermay Quania Digimedi and Sina Asana Becono Mepese Memau Uncle Ben on one number any office numbers and so Pesa for BWF Bitimia from Edisiso office line is 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Opese wo emergency na pese on friend Uncle Bena patron number A is 077-127-61884 077-127-61884. It's here for Facebook for your better masibebre muamuti en fie whichever means would it and I pay Madam Wasena Yamea Adoma Dasene Ubishia her for another edition of the Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. Uncle Ben, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
And you. Bye.
Bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.